everyone, Hippie Dog Mom's here.
Let's hit it.
Oh my god.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the way. It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day, your week, your month, or even.
So, I know we've been horrible at this. Like, absolutely horrible.
Yeah, it's been a couple weeks, guys. We're really sorry.
Kind of getting into the swing. Olivia has 2 jobs now. I'm in the process of getting ready to move.
We've been having to get all of our ducks in a row, kind of readjust to adulthood right now, and I know a lot of you understand that, so thanks for bearing with us. We hope you stay tuned, like, subscribe. Remember, we love you.
We love you.
So we both just got off work not too long ago. We are going to take the pups out for a little, I don't know, kind of a little adventure today. We really don't have anything planned. We're going to kind of wing it. They've all been locked up, and so we need to at least get some of their energy out. I'm working the next 3 days, really, really long shifts, so they need it.
Definitely. So it's going to be fun. We're going to go to the park for sure.
Okay.
And then we should go weigh the boys at Petco.
Ooh, yeah. Okay. Y'all, we have not weighed the boys yet in a really long time since they've gained some weight. Legolas, I'm curious to see what he's
he
at.
weighs like 40 pounds.
That sounds fun.
And then let's go walk at Duck Creek.
Ooh, I could go for a nice walk. Definitely need to get in touch with nature. I've been like too cooped up inside the past couple days at work.
Literally.
And I just want to be out and just
I feel like
walking
I've been
around.
working like so much. But yeah. So let's go, guys.
So for those of you wondering a little bit about my new job, I'm going to be training to be a dog trainer, which if any of you know me at all, that's like my dream. One of my dreams to accomplish is to be able to be a certified dog trainer and eventually work with really, really aggressive breeds, large breeds. Pit bulls have a special place in my heart, so something like that would definitely be pretty much in my ballpark. Tiffany is cleaning the water that the boys spilled, and they're wagging their tail, if you can tell. They feel no remorse for that. It's alright. Yeah. Hey. Hi, Legolas. Alright, so we're on our way to the dark.
The dark. We're on the way to the dark.
You done? Are you satisfied? On our way to the dog park right now. We're going to what? The Richardson Parkway? That's what we usually go to? Yeah. I like that one. I like how it's divided with the parks. We actually just started going to this really, really cool one. And it has like a lake that the dogs can jump in and stuff. But problem is all of our dogs love water, and it's kind of still a little cold out there, and sometimes we just don't have time to dry them all out. Like we just usually have time to go. Yeah, Cheyenne takes so long to dry off, even just by a towel for a little bit. It's just a lot, so especially with the 4. But during the summer, we'll definitely do that when we have like a whole day to ourselves. We can kind of go let them do that and then walk around the trail. We have an awesome trail. It's like 22 miles long, right? The park? Yeah, so it's pretty good.
We just finished at the dog park. Hopefully they'll be good at the store. So
Sit. Shine. Sit. 55. Sit. Sit. Like this. Sit. Can you sit for a moment? 40.
So
35. 30. Legolas is 10 pounds heavier than Aspen. Oh my goodness.
So we made it to Duck Creek. So we just got back from our walk. It was awesome. The dogs are nice and worn out. They definitely needed that. We're probably going to go ahead and end the vlog here. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. I know it's been a while. Always.
Until next time, peace, love, and hippie happiness.